Here are 3 simple steps on how to make money with affiliate marketing right now without spending a single dime on ads. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. And also guys, don't forget to check the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to get started online. So guys, as you most probably already know, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to get started on the internet because you don't have to worry about a lot of things with that business model. You don't have to worry about product creation. You don't have to worry about shipping of the products. You don't have to worry about refunds. So there's a lot of advantages when starting out with affiliate marketing. So let's explore how to get started with affiliate marketing in just 3 simple steps. So the first thing you will need to do is you will need to pick a niche or a product. Okay, so step number 1 is going to be pick a niche or pick a product. There are a ton of different places that you can go to find products to start promoting as an affiliate. You could go on ClickBank, for example, which is extremely popular amongst affiliate marketers, where you can find a bunch of different products in different niches. There's also Digistore24, which is a good alternative to ClickBank. You can also find a bunch of products in there, or you can simply do it the old traditional way of going on Google and simply looking for affiliate programs that you can join in your specific niche. So for example, if you're in the weight loss niche, you could simply type in affiliate program or affiliate network for weight loss, and then you'll find a bunch of different resources that you can look into. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can find products to promote from. So let's say you wanted to find a product on ClickBank, right? So basically what you would do is you would sign up for ClickBank and then go to the marketplace, and then once you click on the marketplace, you would be redirected to this particular page here where you can start choosing products to promote. So the first thing you might want to do is maybe just leave the find product search bar empty and then just click on search. And what's going to happen is ClickBank is going to show you a bunch of different products that are very popular at the moment on the platform. So the products that you can see in here are products that are doing very, very well on ClickBank at the moment. So for example, the #1 product on ClickBank right now is this product here called Exipure. So as you can see, it has a gravity of 1,185. And what the gravity means is it's a measure of how popular the product is on the platform. So the higher the gravity, the higher the number of affiliates making money from that product. So right now there are over 1,100 affiliates making money promoting this particular product. And so that's one thing you want to look at the gravity score. Something else you want to look at is the average conversion. So how much money you would make on average if you decide to promote this particular product. So as you can see, for this one, you would make $147. Something you want to look at is also you want to see if whether they have an affiliate page. So this is not absolutely necessary, but it can be very useful as well. So an affiliate page is basically a page that has been created by the seller where he's providing you with a bunch of resources that you can use as an affiliate marketer. So those can include like banners, pictures, video testimonials. It might be providing you with additional information as to what are the ideal customers for this particular product, email swipes, as you can see. So basically those are a bunch of different resources that the seller will provide to you. So if you pick a product and it has an affiliate page, this is a good thing because you know that you have a ton of resources that you can use in your arsenal. Something else you want to do as well is you want to check the sales page. So it is a good idea from time to time to open up one of those links and check the sales page just to see how it looks like. Does it look like the kind of sales page where you would buy the product yourself? So it is a good idea to sometimes check the sales page as well before you get started with this. And then if you don't want to pick a product that is already being shown to you, something else that you can do, you can pick a product from a specific niche or from specific categories. So as you can see, there's different categories here on the left, and basically those are different niches where you can pick a product from. For example, you have the cooking, food and wine niche, and you can pick different products from this particular niche. You got other niches such as e-business and e-marketing. You also got like the health and fitness niche, which is a hugely popular niche. You can find products in the diet and weight loss subcategory, spiritual health, yoga, meditation. So this is a second way you can find products to promote on ClickBank, okay? So once you've picked a product, step number 2 now is to build a landing page. Now a landing page is not absolutely necessary, but it is recommended to have a landing page in your arsenal, because when you have a landing page, some of those platforms that you're going to use to drive traffic from, they are going to be more lenient towards you if you drive your traffic to a landing page. On the other hand, if you drive traffic directly to the affiliate offer, some of those platforms will not really like it, and they might take your link down, or worst case scenario, they might even cancel your account. So it is a good idea to build a landing page before sending traffic directly to your affiliate offer. And the landing page, in case you don't know what it is, it's basically a one-page website where you want your traffic to do one specific thing only. That can be maybe reading an article, maybe watching a video, or maybe signing up to your email list. So whatever it is, you want your audience to do one specific thing only. There are a ton of platforms out there that will allow you to build really good looking landing pages. For example, there's ClickFunnels, which is also very popular to build, really good looking landing pages and funnel pages. You've got like Kartra, which is also a good one. There's Builderall, but the one that I use myself is this particular page, this particular platform here called Systeme.io. This is a very good platform landing page builder that allows you to do a lot of things other than just building landing pages. You can build a sales funnel, you can do email marketing, you can create online courses and host your online course, building website, and so there's a ton of different things you can do on this particular platform. It is highly recommended if you're looking for one to get started with. For example, this is one of those landing pages that I created inside of Systeme.io. It's a very simple opt-in page in the dog niche, the free step system on how to train your dog in a week. So this is like a simple opt-in page that I created in Systeme.io, and this literally took me like just a few minutes to do. The purpose of the landing page is to warm up your traffic before you send your traffic directly to the affiliate offer. So for the way you're going to use landing pages is, as I've said earlier, you can use an article, you can use like a video, or you can use an opt-in form where you would collect emails. The one that I just showed you is a simple landing page with an opt-in form where I collect the email addresses of people coming to this particular page. Or you can simply create an article where you would warm up your traffic more before sending them to the affiliate offer. For example, if you look at this particular landing page here, I came across this while surfing around on Pinterest, and this is basically a landing page for weight loss or diabetes. And basically there was a big bunch of content on Pinterest about weight loss, and they all had the same link, and when I click on that link, this was the website that opened up. So an overweight mother with diabetes, and basically it's an article telling the story of somebody. It's a very simple article, not that long, and basically the point of this article is to warm up the traffic even more before sending them to the affiliate offer. So as you can see, those are the links here. If I click on one of those links, you will see that I will be redirected to a weight loss product, which is an affiliate offer of the person promoting this. So after you've picked a niche and a product and you've built a landing page, now step number 3 is to drive traffic. Okay, traffic is extremely important because without traffic you will never make any sales at all. So driving traffic, targeted traffic, is of utmost important. Now there are a ton of different ways for you to drive traffic. You can drive traffic on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. So there's a lot of platforms out there where you can build really high quality free traffic, but the one that I would recommend you to do or to try would be YouTube. YouTube traffic is one of the best traffic out there. It's more than just a video sharing website. It's also a search engine. People come on YouTube to type things that they are looking for, to look for certain topics. So it is one of the best traffic sources out there, as it is a search engine traffic at the end of the day. It's the second biggest website in the world behind Google in terms of traffic. So as I've said, people usually come on YouTube to type in things that they are searching for. And if you can make sure that your video pops up for the right keywords, you can end up generating a ton of sales. So for example, people will come in and will type in, let's say, how to lose weight, or people will type in, let's say, how to lose belly fat, how to lose weight, how to lose face fat, how to lose arm fat. So there's a ton of different things that people are searching for and are coming on YouTube to search for, which makes YouTube one of the best kinds of traffic out there. And basically what you would want to do is to look at some of those keywords that people are searching for in your niche, and then create content around this. For example, as I just showed you, people sometimes for the weight loss niche, they are searching up things like how to lose weight fast, how to lose weight in 2 weeks. So those are the keywords that people are typing in, and those are the type of content that they are searching for on YouTube. So if you can create content around those and then redirect that traffic to your affiliate offer, that's how you would end up making money with affiliate marketing. Here are a few examples of how people are driving traffic to their affiliate offer using YouTube. So if you go to this particular channel here on YouTube, Lifetime Winners, they got 150,000 subscribers. And if you look at some of their videos, it's really like simple videos where they've stick together a bunch of stock photos and stock images, stock videos, where they are combining those pictures and videos and make them into one whole video. So they are getting pictures and videos from other third-party websites, and then using an online software, they are sticking those videos and those videos and pictures together to create those really high quality content. So that's one way people are making money with affiliate marketing, because then they are redirecting that traffic to their affiliate offer that they have in here. A second way that people are making money on YouTube through affiliate marketing is by simply creating viral content. So for example, this person is creating a ton of content related to Amazon products, and they are combining all those pieces of content together to make those long 10 minutes long video or 15 minutes long video, and they are uploading all this content on YouTube and making money through the Amazon affiliate program. Another way that somebody is making money through Amazon, through the affiliate program on YouTube, is by making those videos in here. As you can see, those are videos quite similar to the first YouTube channel I just showed you, where they are showing like copyright free videos. And what they are doing here is they have like an article that they've converted into a video. So there are special softwares and tools that allows you to do this. And I have other videos where I talk more in depth about this, where they are using special online tools that convert text or articles into copyright free videos. And this is exactly what they are doing. So I highly encourage you to go and watch those videos on my channel. I have more in-depth video about this. And then here's another example. This is very similar to the second channel I just showed you, where they are curating viral Amazon content. And finally, this last YouTube channel here called UFactTech, which is very similar to the second channel I just showed you, where they are creating viral content around Amazon products. And basically they are combining all those videos together to make those long videos, and they are promoting Amazon products in their affiliate link, and that's how they are making money through the affiliate program. Whichever method of free traffic that you go for, you need to understand that with free traffic you need to post a lot of content, because the more content you put out, the more exposure you will get, and the more exposure you will get, the more clicks you will get, and the more clicks you will get, the more sales you will get as an affiliate marketer. So whichever platform you go for, whether that's TikTok, YouTube, Instagram or Pinterest, whatever platform you choose, understand that you need to post a lot of content, free content, in order to increase your exposure that will eventually lead to more sales. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Don't forget to check the link in the description for my #1 recommended way to get started online. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.